Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the ghostage problem on your OPPO Find X9. So first, what you guys want to do is remove the screen protector and a case, and let me explain why. Basically, whenever your case is covering even a tiny part of the bezel or the tiny part of the screen, then it can already cause the ghost touches. So for an example, I'll place my finger right here. Now as you guys can see, I cannot do anything with the other one. So imagine if we put a little bit of the pressure, and as you guys can see, we will be sometimes able to do something with the device, but not exactly. So this is what your case can do whenever it's covered by a pressure or it's covering a tiny part of the screen. And now moving on to the screen protector. Whenever we have a screen protector that's a poor quality one, or it's just misaligned and not placed properly on the screen, as you guys can see, my screen protector is perfectly aligned, then it can also cause the ghost touches to appear, even on the sides, even at the bottom, close to the edges, or just up top. So if that's the case, then remove them. And now what you guys can do is clean your screen to remove any debris or moisture, and including our fingerprints, because we're gonna use the microfiber cloth. Now give it a few swipes and make sure that it's clean. So don't touch it right now, try not touching it, and after that what you guys can do is check under the light if it's definitely clean. As you guys can see, I'm lining on it, it's definitely clean. And what we can do next is go over and update our software to fix any touch glitches. So let's head over into the settings. Now in those settings, we need to scroll all the way down until we see system and update. Here we click on software update, and as you guys can see, my version is up to date, and that means I don't need to install any newer versions. But if you have a button right up top, right at the bottom, to install and download and install the new update, then I would recommend you guys updating it. It's very important, because if you have it, then you're not on the latest version. And that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.